Hi, this is Governor Ron DeSantis. This has been a historic week for our country. The Pfizer vaccine has arrived at Florida hospitals, and I had the pleasure of being on site at Tampa General to sign for the FedEx delivery of one of the very first shipments of the vaccine. I was also proud to introduce Vanessa Arroyo, a frontline nurse who was one of the first individuals in the state to receive the vaccine. Frontline healthcare workers like Vanessa are in high contact, high risk environments. And by ensuring they have access to the vaccine, we're helping to support our hospital system, making sure it's well staffed and can continue caring for patients. To Vanessa and all frontline healthcare workers, nurses, and physicians, cannot thank you enough for your continued dedication, hard work, and courage. Vaccinating residents of long-term care facilities is also a top priority. These residents are the most vulnerable to the virus and have had to endure months of social isolation. That is why I've directed the Florida Department of Health, the Florida Division of Emergency Management, and the Florida National Guard to mobilize strike teams to supplement the efforts of CVS and Walgreens to vaccinate the residents of our long-term care facilities. And thanks to our state strike teams, Florida is now the first state in the nation to vaccinate residents of long-term care facilities. I traveled to John Knox Village in Pompano Beach for the first round of these vaccinations, a pivotal first step toward returning these residents to a state of normalcy. While there, I was fortunate to meet a very special lady, Vera Leap, an 88-year-old retired school teacher and a resident of John Knox. She elected to receive the vaccine and is very hopeful about the promising impact it will have. To Vera and all other long-term care residents, keep hanging in there. More help is on the way. As our boots on the ground continue to distribute the Pfizer vaccine, the state of Florida is preparing to receive 367,000 doses of the Moderna vaccine. The Moderna vaccine will be distributed to 173 hospital locations in 43 counties, making the vaccine accessible in every region of the state. As the Moderna vaccine does not require ultra-cold storage, we're able to get it to even more hospitals throughout Florida. And as the vaccine supply increases over the coming weeks, we want to get it out to our elderly residents, as well as those who may have significant underlying health issues. And we're working diligently to ensure that the vaccine is accessible to Floridians. And while we encourage you to take it, we will not mandate that you do so. In addition to our continued work on distributing the vaccine, I'm also committed to our state's continued economic recovery. I always protect the right of Floridians to earn a living and provide for their families. This week, I went to West Palm Beach and enjoyed meeting with restaurant employees and small business owners who shared their stories about the pandemic, including Teresa Hodgson, a single mother of two and server and bartender at Okeechobee Steakhouse, who was able to support her family during the pandemic, an opportunity she would not have had if she had been locked down and the business closed.
I've been here for 14 years. Ooh. Single mom of two kids. No other income coming, so sorry about this. Very blessed to have Governor DeSantis keeping us open. I'm a blessed mother, and I just hope that we can still stay open and, everybody do what they're supposed to do. And if you're sick, stay home. If you want to come out, we are here for you, and we are 100% committed.
For Teresa and all other Floridians working hard, I've got your back, and we'll keep fighting for you. This has been a tough year, but we're resilient, we get things done, and now there is a light at the end of the tunnel. Thank you, and God bless.